we started, there were portions of our plot that looked straight out of a desert, in a movie. Shocking to see in person that kind of desolation. The farm was previously farmed using industrial methods. So the land was very depleted, the soil was depleted. As a farm, we've adopted as one of our mottos a line from Laudato Si, which is to hear both the cry of the earth and the cry of the poor. And that really guides our work.
I have a strong faith in God, and part of that faith helps me notice how everything is connected.
We have these interrelated issues: the environment, the poor, the care for those things are connected.
Care for creation is integral to our call to respect the life and dignity of every human person.
There's an increase in birds, there's an increase in insects in our plot. The soil is much healthier now. It's full of life. You might say that if the earth was crying before, now it's starting to sing. Our mission is to care for the earth and to care for the poor. All of the food that we grow is donated to soup kitchens, mostly in Baltimore.
We're planting seeds in young people, even in older people, and everybody. We have a very diverse volunteer group, and it's just lovely to see them working together and talking to each other and influencing each other.
What we think about as we seek to accompany Catholic youth, that we need to step into our faith and the understanding that we're all in this together, that God is with us, that with God nothing is impossible.
So if you start very small with the people, the plants, the soil right next to you, that just spreads outward. So if we have millions of Catholics doing that, then imagine the impact that could make over the whole world. It would be lovely to see. Fantastic, really.